Hey y'all, my name is Sue Ayers. I've written a dance called Sambas and Sailors. It's a beginner level dance. It has 32 counts, it's 4 walls, and no tags, and no restarts. I'm going to turn around so we can get started going through the steps. My weight is on my left foot. I'm going to begin by walking forward 2 steps and then doing a right forward mambo. So that'll be walking right, left, right mambo, back 2 steps, left, right, left coaster step. Let's count that out. So it's walking 1, 2, mambo 3 and 4, back 5, 6, coaster 7 and 8. We're going to do our first titled step. The first part of the dance is named Sambas and Sailors. So Sambas is what we're going to do now in section 2. They're actually cross Sambas. So let's go ahead and go through those slowly in case this is the first time we've ever seen these. So I'm going to start with my right foot. I'm going to step across, rock back on my left, and then in the diagonal, I'm going to rock forward and recover there. So that's 1 and 2, and then I'll do the same thing with my left foot. Cross, rock back, recover. You can see now that I'm recovering, I'm in my left diagonal. I'm going to finish that section up with a jazz box quarter turn right on full count. So that'll just be cross, back, turn, and step. Let's count that out. So starting with that cross samba, we're going to take that right foot, and it's 1 and 2. 3 and 4, jazz box 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep that right trajectory that you've started going. We're going to be doing a 3/4 walk / shuffle around back to the original wall we started on. In this case, that'll be 12 o'clock. So we're walking 2 steps and then a shuffle, walking 2 more steps and a shuffle. The last shuffle will just be a shuffle forward. All right, so as we do that, we're walking right, left, right shuffle, left, right, left shuffle forward. All right, let's count that out. Remember, we started over here on our 3 o'clock walk. So starting with my right foot, walking, 1, 2, shuffle, 3 and 4, 5, 6, shuffle, 7 and 8. To finish up the dance, we have our second named step, and the title of this dance is called Sambas and Sailors. So we're doing our sailor steps now, and you may be new to this step as well. I will explain it slowly for you. It starts off with 2 toe taps before we get into the sailor step. So you're tapping your right toe forward on one and then to the side. And now we're going to do our first sailor step, and it does not change direction. It's going to stay facing the same wall you're currently on. You're going to take that right toe, and you're going to sweep it behind your left foot and then step side, side. So it's behind, side, side. All right? And then we're going to finish the dance with the left sailor, and this sailor is going to turn a quarter turn left, so that'll put us on a 9 o'clock wall to finish the dance. We're going to tap forward with the left, tap to the side, and then we're going to do a sailor quarter turn left. As you sweep that left foot behind your right, sweep side to side. Okay, so the sailors are syncopated, just like the Sambas were. So let's count that all out. The weight's on my left, starting with the toe taps, which are full count. 1, 2, sailor, 3 and 4, 5, 6, sailor, 7 and 8. And that is the end of the dance. So what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to take you for 3 walls all the way back to the front. I'll count, and then I'll also go through the steps as we just continue that circuit. I'll go a little faster as well. Weights on the left, starting from the top. Ready, go. Walking, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Samba, 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Jazz, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk around, 1, 2, shuffle, 3 and 4, 5, 6, shuffle, 7 and 8. Touches toe, toe, sailor, 3 and 4, 5, 6, turning 7 and 8. Walk it 1, 2 with the mambo. And back with the coaster. Sambas 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Jazz 5, 6, turning 7 and 8. Walking 1, 2 and shuffle. Walk, walk and shuffle. Touch, touch and right sailor. Touch, touch, sailor, quarter left. Walk it 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Samba 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Jazz 5, 6, 7, 8. Walking 1, 2 in the shuffle and walk, walk and a shuffle. Touches 1, 2, sailor, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And there we are, all the way around. I hope you enjoy the dance. It goes to a lot of different music. You can pick even genres. You can pick whatever you want as long as it fits. I think you'll enjoy it. Thanks for watching.